Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can complete milestones in Monopoly Go. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open up your Monopoly Go application on your mobile device and make sure your account is logged in. After that, you will be redirected to the home page of the app where the actual game is played. Now if you click on any of the available tournaments, you can see that they require some basic needs for you to fulfill in order to win or complete milestones. There are sometimes gifts instead of milestones. Regarding this tournament, you just need to land on these railway titles and then play shutdown or bank heist to complete milestones. This is how you can complete milestones in Monopoly Go. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.